Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So the Aussie dollar started to dump further down this week. After breaking out of this structure, it was trading in. It was just as we predicted. If you looked at last week's analysis, there was only one side of the trade that was given. So it is now at a point where some consolidation could happen due to this previous level where it found support. So I think for the short term, we should see some consolidation at this level before more downside. If this happens, I think you could start short at 0.71680 and then try and see whether the market gives us this one more push down before upside. For the bear case, if price continues to dump next week, right, strong with conviction, I think 0.7023 around this area should give you a strong support. So this is where you could see some kind of wick out kind of move on the weekly. Yeah, so zoom out the weekly. Yeah, right now it looks bearish, but then the next week's candle could print like a wick, right? And this wick could break down even further as it liquidates all the longs here, right? And people are forced to sell. We could get a wick out.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.